Hello and welcome to Law Seeker. I'm back and it gives me a great sense of joy to announce the launch of our new series wherein we're going to give you a daily roundup or a daily dose of the Paris 2024 Paralympic Games, or to say the Paralympics. So with that in mind, let's start the video. So this is going to be an introductory video where we discuss the why and the what of these games, the spirit of these games, and how you can, have a daily update on these games or to get marks in your exams and just to have a general understanding of the world around you. So on that note, let's dive into certain details that we should be mindful of. तो सबसे पहले प्लीज ये ध्यान रखिए, दीज गेम्स देव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 28th of August एंड ये 8th September तक चलेंगे. यहाँ पर करीबन 4,400 एथलीट्स फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड दे गोइंग टू कम टुगेदर ऑन अ सिंगल स्टेज टू compete in 22 different sporting categories. And also the sports persons, the athletes, they're going to compete for a total of 549 medals. वेन्यू जो है वो सेम रहेगा जो कि हमने पेरिस 2024 ओलंपिक्स के लिए देखा था, which is Paris, France, and it is going to be near the landmark, of Paris, which is the Eiffel Tower. अब हमने ये तो समझ लिया certain details of these games. Now let's understand what these games essentially are and what is, the purpose of these games. See, please understand, Paralympics essentially international multi-sporting events हैं जो कि persons with special abilities or to say persons with disabilities उनके लिए बनाया गया है. So जैसे Olympic Games जो है उन persons के लिए who do not have any sort of physical disability. So similarly, this sort of event, it is designed for persons who have certain physical disabilities but they certainly have the talent and the sporting caliber. अब जो Paralympic word है इसमें एक prefix है which is para. So this prefix essentially means alongside in Greek. तो आइडिया हमारे यहाँ पर ये है कि जैसे ही ओलंपिक गेम्स कंक्लूड हो जाते हैं, जैसे कि 2024 ओलंपिक गेम्स अभी कंक्लूड हुए थे हाल ही में, तो उसके 2 वीक्स के अंदर अंदर हम एक इंटरनेशनल स्पोर्टिंग इवेंट और कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज करवाएं फॉर पर्सन्स विद डिसेबिलिटीज एंड दे हैव अ वैरायटी ऑफ ऑप्शंस टू compete in, as in 22 different categories of sports are available. These games, they are managed by the International Paralympics Committee. Now let's understand the historic context to it. So उसके लिए हमें जाना है 1948 में, right after the Second World War, and this is in a military hospital in near north of London. So यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि there were some war veterans who were undergoing treatment, and there is a neurologist by the name of Sir Ludwig Guttmann. He realized कि उनकी रिकवरी बहुत ही स्लो पेस है and he wanted to fasten their recovery. So he had an idea of organizing, a game which is similar to the Olympics but for persons who had certain disabilities. So from that, the idea, the seed of it was first sown. And then later, officially in 1960, the first Paralympic Games, they were organized. Also, now please understand, originally जो ये Paralympic Games थे, they were sole reserved for the wheelchair athletes. However, as time progressed and especially in 1976, ये जो sporting categories है ये हमने expand कर दी and now we have persons with other disabilities as well. Also 1988 से अब तक हमने यही ट्रेंड देखा है and this has become a convention sort of कि जहाँ पर ओलंपिक गेम्स हुए हैं उसी सेम जगह पर पैरालंपिक गेम्स भी यूजुअली होते हैं. अब अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो इंडिया ने इस बार कुल मिलाकर 84 एथलीट जो है वो पैरालंपिक गेम्स के लिए भेजे हैं. Now before I depart, there is something that I want to put forth, and that is that, see, I believe physical disability, it is something that is out of the control of a person, correct? But if there is somebody who has dreams of making it big in the field of sports and also has the discipline to follow up on these dreams, then it becomes very important for us as a society to function as a harmonious unit and be inclusive of the requirements of our fellow citizens or nationals and provide them the rightest opportunities that they deserve to showcase their talent. And Paralympics, I believe, is one such example of inclusivity, and therefore it becomes very important for us to be extremely supportive of these sporting events. Also, I think especially for aspirants like us, it becomes all the more important that we seek inspiration from something like this. There cannot be greater source of inspiration than these games where these athletes, they've shown such great character, strength of character, of mental deter. They have a certain dream and they're following that with a disciplined routine of training. So we should also try to, imbibe those qualities in our preparation. So on that note, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until we meet tomorrow.